Good morning, happy Monday. It is a cozy morning, it is Monday. I am in just like the best, happiest, most peaceful mood. For once, maybe I will be talking at a normal speed. People always comment and tell me I need to slow down. I don't know what it is, I just feel the need to like, you know, be efficient with my speaking, get out the points I need to make so quickly. But today I feel so calm. Anyways, this week is Thanksgiving, which means that my roommates are out of town. I just wanted to vlog some clips from this week. I'm just so excited for like the week ahead of having so much alone time. Don't look too excited, girl. Sometimes I'm so non-expressive. It's weird because in the past few weeks, I've been like dreading Thanksgiving week of like my roommates leaving, just feeling like this week was gonna feel like really lonely and boring and like I was just gonna have, I don't know, lately, and maybe I'll feel like this come 4 p.m. when the sun starts setting, but just like with it getting dark so early, I've talked about this in another vlog, but I just feel like there's like nothing to do. Like once it gets dark, my day feels over, but there's so many hours and I just like feel like I can't fill my time, and that's been making me just feel a type of way. I don't know. So I've weirdly been like dreading this week because I also feel like, you know, I used to really love my alone time, like back when, you know, life was normal and I was out doing all these things. I used to love my alone time. Like I would love when everyone went out and I would stay in and like get to be by myself, or just like on the weekends. I feel like I always used to vlog on like Saturdays and Sundays when like everyone would be out doing things, and so often I just wanted to like have the day to myself at home. I don't know, I feel like just throughout this quarantine experience, something I was reflecting on today is that I have just had so much alone time that I like don't value it anymore. It has come in a surplus, so weirdly it's turned into something that I like dread, that I try to avoid. I try to like be with people, like even just like if I'm going to Starbucks, like I'll ask one of my roommates if they want to go, and like I think it's good that I like spending time with people, obviously, of course, that I enjoy people's company, but I like weirdly have like lost the like joy in doing things alone. I don't know why. Like I'm just not as comfortable with it anymore. It's a super weird thing. I don't know where it came from. Maybe just from having like so much alone time and that's it, or I don't know. The week has come and I am so excited to just be here by myself this week, just have like the space to myself, like a peace. Like again, I love having roommates, truly, but you know, it is generally speaking pretty loud here day to day, and maybe that's what it took for me to like value like being able to have some quiet days to myself. So I had Thanksgiving plans for this Thursday. Me and a couple friends were gonna go to Catch for dinner. However, as of yesterday, they have announced that outdoor dining, we've only ever had outdoor dining, if you're unaware. In LA, there's no indoor dining. It's like outdoor at a certain capacity. You're very spread out. I feel very comfortable with it. However, LA has just shut down starting on Thanksgiving, all outdoor dining for at least 3 weeks. So that basically carries me through like when I'm going home for Christmas. So now we are like, what do we do on Thanksgiving? Order food again, like in the Thanksgiving vlog? I don't know. Check that vlog out if you did not see it. But with the restaurant thing, that has also been like my main form of, I guess, entertainment, but also just like seeing people and spending time with people. When me and my friends hang out, 90% of the time, it is meeting up for like dinner or, you know, brunch or coffee or drinks or whatever. So now that is also just like more time to myself. Again, another layer of that. On one hand, maybe this will all hit me and I'm gonna crack again soon, but for right now, I'm really looking forward to it. It feels kind of like early quarantine when I had like just so much time to get to just random things that like you never get to. I'm about to do some more stuff, but then I'm gonna make a list of just like fun things I can do by myself and that I will enjoy. I'm just very excited. I don't know, I thought I'd bring you along for this like appreciating time with myself week-long journey. Just being cozy, gonna work from my bed. I'm in a great mood. It's a little bit later. Would you even know? Literally no. I just put on a t-shirt. I got in a couple Amazon packages. I believe these are like the rest of the garland I need for the bottom of our Christmas tree. If you watched again the decorating video, I like ran out, really underestimated how much like the garland's length for an entire tree. So finish the tree, maybe make a Christmassy TikTok. I've been on my TikTok game. If you're on TikTok, check out my TikTok. Also, I would like to thank not only God and also Jesus. I just let my hair air dry today. This front piece, are we seeing this curl? Could it all do that every day, preferably? This side, not so much. This is how it normally dries. It's like one wave and then straight. This part is showing off, girl. I have no plans to put on pants today, in case anyone was wondering. Things that are not here yet include the extension cord I ordered. So we're still using this. Ignore it. The star is up. It was difficult. I nearly knocked the tree over. Also, I decided I hate this garland. I don't know. It clashes with these plants and I'm not a fan. I need to get a new one, but I'm gonna take it down for now. Another thing I'm gonna do today that might seem very bizarre to be excited about, but I'm gonna clean this whole house because, like, again, so many people live here. It does not stay clean for long. You know, you cook, obviously eat 3 meals a day. Like, you know, things are just a mess. I'm gonna cook it, I'm gonna clean it right now so that for the whole time everyone's gone, it's just gonna stay spotless because I know if there's a mess, I did it. So I will keep it clean. Editing my last vlog of the fireplace. I was debating between Christmas music or a fireplace video. Turns out I accidentally clicked on a fireplace video that is also like Christmas classical music, so it's wonderful. Got our tree on, and this is our last day with our DIY living room. Tomorrow we get our couch, which then means that these chairs are gonna be wedged somewhere until we figure out what to do with them. But I'm so excited. It's a new day and our couch is here and I'm alone to figure out how to do it. I have just filmed a video. It's like now already in the evening. Oh, I need to delete stuff off this memory card. That's literally all I recorded on Tuesday. I've really been thriving being alone. This is the best ever. This has gone so differently than what I thought this was gonna be. I'm just heading out. It's like 2 o'clock, or it's 1, I think. I have a call at 2, but I've been yesterday and today just working a lot, gearing up for Black Friday stuff, getting my videos done for this weekend. Now I'm gonna go walk and just get a little coffee. I wanna go to this like small coffee shop, and I feel like they're probably gonna be closed tomorrow because it's Thanksgiving. So I wanna go, you know, support them a last time, get like a little pumpkin spice latte thing. I think it's pretty chilly, so I might get a hot one. I think I'm also gonna buy brownie stuff to make brownies for party of 1 because Shelby did that last week and it was just a delicious little evening dessert, something to look forward to. And that sounds fun. So I think I'm gonna go do that. Another task I need to get to today is opening our couch. They're already closed. I had a feeling. That didn't work. It's probably for the best. I didn't need it. I can literally make a pumpkin spice latte at home. But while I was getting my brownie batter, I saw these and I thought, it's a treat yourself week. These are my favorite chips literally since like childhood. If you call these chips, I guess, whatever. Honey barbecue Frito twist, nothing like it. Like they did such a good thing with that. Right now I'm gonna put my last little things on the tree that had been back ordered. Right now, I have leftovers. I Postmated dinner yesterday. One of these days I am gonna go to the grocery store because I actually really love errands. And I've recently discovered that Trader Joe's at night is like a holy place. I love it so much. And so I think that that will be a very fun thing for me to go do by myself, and just haven't done it yet basically. So I Postmated dinner. Now I'm turning on my oven so that I can reheat these fries like in the oven and they'll be crispy. What the heck am I gonna do? This is huge. All right, so all the pieces are not in yet, which we knew, but this is gonna go out this way. We have like this chase, which is huge. It's gonna be on this side. We have like 2 connector things here, so it'll go like that. So it's gonna be like a big U. We're gonna have to get, of course, a bigger coffee table. Yeah, but that is generally it. Hello, Shelby. All right, now for the not fun part alone is disposing of these boxes that I need to break down. Literally, I feel like I need to show for scale. This is as far as I can reach. This box, I could be buried in along with like all of my friends. Why is it so big? Happy Thanksgiving. It's also laundry day. All right, last minute friendsgiving here. But we already did that once, so I decorated it for Christmas instead. Here's what we're working with. A self-care day. Like this. Watching a Remy video, my Friday night home alone activity, watching some movie with Lucy Hale on Hulu. It's kind of just playing. I haven't really been paying attention. Just ate some dinner and now I'm making brownies. Who's gonna eat them all? I don't know. But I thought I would maybe be a little fancy and throw in some extra chocolate chips and some peanut butter, make them like peanut butter brownies. It is now Sunday. I don't know what this vlog has turned into. I know I had so many clips and just like thoughts on the first day, and then, you know, just haven't really vlogged that much because I've quite literally been, is my phone with me? Oh, it is. Yeah, all weekend, Friday to now, I have just been chilling on the couch mostly, watching YouTube, planning things, journaling, Christmas shopping. Nothing too crazy. I just now, a little bit ago, posted my gift guide video on my main channel, showing a bunch of present ideas under $25, $50, and $100. So check that out if you would like. I feel like I have good present ideas. People tell me I'm a good gift giver. I also, yesterday, when I was journaling, wrote a list of just like fun things I can do by myself. Again, I feel like I've talked a lot about just like alone time and whatever, and just like quality alone time. I also had a follow-up on that thought on what I said the other day about how like I've just spent so much time alone that like I
don't appreciate anymore or don't know how to like actually find it restful or whatever. I just thought that was Shelby, and Shelby is out of town. You can imagine my confusion. Then I was thinking about it the past few days as I've been home alone, just like thriving, and I've realized I actually like, I've spent so much time alone, but like at home with other people home, like hearing other people, this, that, and the other, you know what I mean? I have not had like my own space, like full space and like that kind of alone time in so long, literally like maybe all of quarantine. Maybe that's why I haven't been enjoying my alone time as much, is because it hasn't been truly alone. I don't know. These are just Sunday thoughts. I've just been doing some reflecting, but I made a list of fun things I can do alone, just thinking up some new fun ideas. I just like have a lot of, oh, maybe I get this stuff at Trader Joe's. I want to make festive like holiday drinks, like a good peppermint, cold brew peppermint latte thing. I should do some research. Right now I'm going to Trader Joe's because something I've wanted to do for like honestly months now, I don't know why, is make like some pretty little like flower arrangements just for like around the house. I don't know why that sounds so fun to me. I meant to go to this like flower market here in LA that probably is closed again. I don't really know. At this point I'm just gonna get flowers at Trader Joe's because it's just been so long and I still want to do it. Why haven't I done it? That's a fun little solo activity. So I'm heading there now. I'm gonna pick up just like a few grocery items for the week. Last night I was just watching YouTube and whatnot, and I was just really wanting Chinese takeout, and like I have a variety of things I want to get when I get Chinese takeout. You know, we have the lo mein, we have the veggie fried rice, we have some orange chicken, I love a cream cheese wonton, like all these things. I want to get a variety, but I'm a party of one, you know, that works better for like a group environment. But I decided I was just gonna get it all alone. So now I have leftovers for like dinner for the whole week, it seems. So I'm only getting a few things so that I don't waste food and stuff doesn't go bad, which I'm so guilty of doing so often. Why am I putting this on? I'm driving there. All right, anyways, happy Sunday. Still in a wonderful mood. It has been the best weekend ever. Ask me why I've been wanting to listen to Pink all day. I don't know. So as it turns out, I think I'm a florist. We've got some eucalyptus. I don't know what this other stuff is. I got white roses. I just wanted simple, neutral, nothing too crazy. If you've made it to the end of this vlog, you're a real one. Thank you. Obviously not that much happened in the past week, and I didn't film a lot either. It was just like, I've said it 25 times, so I'm just gonna shut up and end the video, but it was just a great time. I feel so just like restored, so like relaxed going into this week. It's Monday currently. I'm also vlogging today. I'm just like relaxed in a way I have not felt in so long. We're getting the rest of our couch in tomorrow, so you'll see that very soon. Anyways, it's been great. Hope you had a wonderful Thanksgiving. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.